Hi, Joel DeVal. We see that you have multiple credit cards that you are perhaps struggling to pay. Are you drowning under the monthly repayments you are having to make each month? And do you have much money left over after having to pay all these credit card bills? Most Filipino consumers have multiple credit cards and the interest rates are as high as 40% interest per annum. Which means that if you have 2 or 3 credit cards with monthly bills of 100,000 pesos, then you are paying 39,000 pesos in interest per annum. How would you like to save up to 50% on these monthly repayments and have some extra money each month to spend on items you need most? Well, we have great news for you. You have now been pre-approved for a special debt consolidation loan of 150,000 pesos. Our debt consolidation loan lets you borrow up to 150,000 pesos to pay off all your existing credit card debts by simply merging all the money you owe into one simple payment. A debt consolidation loan will help you switch to just one monthly repayment to a single lender and can be used to pay off the credit cards, store cards, and other personal loans that you might want to clear. To see your loan qualification, please choose which credit cards you currently have in overdraft. Great, now please may you confirm an estimate of your total debt. Thank you. Based on your debt amount, you qualify for a debt consolidation loan of 130,400 pesos, which you can use to clear your existing debts, with periods from 12 months to 5 years. We understand that debt is a tough situation to be in, so let us help you right away. We can process your consolidated loan in less than 24 hours and pay your outstanding amounts in no time. To start consolidating your debts, pay decreased interest rates and have extra cash at hand, click the link and we will help you. Thank you, Joel DeVal.